song is for y'all who, we've all gone through it sometimes in our lives. If you haven't, you will when you lose somebody near and dear to you, somebody in your family or your mom or God knows what. It's pretty painful, best friend, whatever it may be. As a matter of fact, tonight, I met somebody outside tonight. I think I see him right here. He lost his mom today. And he was already here, and he's just, she's pretty far away, so he couldn't make it over anyways. This one's for you, and for any of us who are trying to heal up with any loss that we have in our lives, man.
Love you, Nuno. Love you, man.
Spun my heart back at a time, brand new day, nothing to hide. God, it feels like yesterday.
Remember we've been drinking wine, stopping sing, stopping time. You just melt away.
In a hurricane,
I'm emptiness and
face the storm before the calm, yeah. Where the moon spills through the trees and the crow calls out to me in harmony to sing along. My heart is in a hurricane, gusts of emptiness and pain. Is this the story?